shotgun, the Desert Warrior. It has a very elegant, nice shape, English style stock. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I want to present you this nice shotgun. It's a 12 gauge shotgun with 70 centimeter shotgun barrel length. Has a magnum chamber, so 76 millimeter chambered. You can, of course, you can shoot 70 millimeters as well. So both is possible to shoot very low loading or a very tough loading. The very special thing is we have a Bolino engraving with Falcon engraving, gold inlay. It's a very nice ornament, very special ornament for more orientalic. On the trigger guard is a very special motif. This is the Desert Warrior, therefore we called also the shotgun the Desert Warrior. It has a very elegant, nice shape, English style stock, and it's really very light. It's 3 kilo and 10 decagram, so it's easy to handle. Because of the very exactly balance of the shotgun, and the balance is perfect also for the shooting. If you shoulder the shotgun, it comes very quick, and you're always perfect in the middle, and you can easily hit. Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching Fuchs Fine Guns.